And one interesting thing that I want to share, I have not shared it in any interview. Okay. Because since it's candid, so I'll share this here. And that was that one moment I felt कि shit, अभी भी मेरे अंदर acting बाकी है. On the way I was like कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. Suddenly मुझे ऐसे कुछ feel हुआ कि नहीं मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. मैं खुश नहीं हूँ और ये गड़बड़ हो रहा है कुछ तो. Okay.
Hello and welcome to Binge Buddies. In this episode of Candid Conversation, we have Shahab Ali, aka Sajid from Family Man with us. Before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe to Binge Buddies. Hi Shahab, welcome to Binge Buddies. I'm so excited to speak with you today.
Thank you so much, Saurav. Thank you for inviting me here. It's a pleasure being here.
Likewise, the pleasure is completely ours. I hope मैं कुछ दो चीजें शायद आपके बारे में ज्यादा जान पाऊं after this chat with you. Okay.
Yes. I will definitely try to be as candid as possible since it's candid conversations.
So sweet of you. All right. So I couldn't find much as you're still fairly new with respect to on-screen projects. Okay.
Yeah, that's true.
But I'll share what I could find in my research and correct me if I'm wrong. You have graduated from National School of Drama. Okay. Yes. You did multiple theater plays. Then you did a couple of musicals, which is Zangura and Mughal-e-Azam, where you play the lead character of Salim. After which you came or you got into on-screen projects. You did a very small part in Kedarnath. And the Family Man, the rest is history. Family Man ke baad, so everyone knows who Sajid is. Okay.
Yeah.
Firstly, many congratulations on the success of The Family Man season 2.
Thank you so much.
This definitely is the first Indian web series which has broke the jinx of season 2 not doing well comparatively to season 1.
That's true. Yeah.
So, and at this level and at this scale where like masses have accepted it open-heartedly कि भाई season 2 बहुत बढ़िया बनाया. So many congratulations on that. Firstly.
Thank you so much. Yeah, like that's true. Like the response is so massive. It's so nice. Yeah. So I'm really happy with the kind of response we are getting for season 2. And actually, like many critics have also mentioned कि season 2 ने कहीं ना कहीं वो जो एक jinx था वो break कर दिया है.
That is true, absolutely, because
that's a great feeling.
बहुत time से हम ढूंढ रहे हैं कि like of course series अच्छे आते हैं, but season 2 somewhere वो level नहीं match कर पाता. And the scale which The Family Man at is the production scale, or in general the people involved are so big names. उसके साथ expectations को match करना, it's one of a Herculean task which has been achieved successfully 100%. Okay, great. Let's rewind a bit, and that's how I normally like to start my chat. I would like to understand and go back to your hometown. Where were you born?
I was born in Delhi.
Okay.
And I'm born and brought up in Delhi, proper Delhiite, and I shifted to Mumbai after getting Family Man. So like I have spent all my life in Delhi. Like I was there in Lucknow for 1 year, and that's all. Like I have always been in Delhi. Typical Delhi boy. But yes, when we hear the name Delhi, we think that that posh and the political capital of India, that Delhi comes to your mind. But I belong to a different kind of Delhi. Okay. So the area where I live in, this area is a little backward. It's not that posh. So yeah, that kind of Delhi I come from.
Okay, no problem. So all of schooling also done there then, I assume, as you've been completely.
Yes. Proper, like I was in a government school. And then Delhi University College. Then I did a diploma in mass media also, because I was doing journalism for 2 years.
Okay.
So yeah, I've done that also before acting. So I wanted to become an actor. Then the circumstances were not very favorable. So I thought that okay, I'll do something else, because acting is like a gamble. Okay. So I was not in a position to take that decision at that moment. So yeah. So I thought, let's do something which is close to acting. So I thought I'll become a news reader.
All right.
Yeah. I thought, let's do journalism ka course. And I applied. जितने भी जो पता थे जगह पे, finally I got admission in one course in Jamia Millia Islamia. After that, I did my internship in Aaj Tak. Then I started working as a journalist in a newspaper also.
Okay.
But then I felt ki I was not enjoying it, and it was not what I had thought it was. I felt ki no,
Yeah.
it's not what I want to do, and I was not great at it. I was not a very good journalist.
Fair
So
enough.
I felt कि यार नहीं मजा नहीं आ रहा है. एक दिन मम्मी को जाके बोला कि मम्मी मुझे तो नहीं जम रहा है. I want to take a U-turn and I want to try in acting. I feel that I was really good at it, and I used to get a lot of appreciation. So can I try in acting? So she said, yeah, but you have, you've not acted for so many years. I think almost for 3 years I couldn't act, and I was like out of touch completely.
I would like to put these experiences into a timeline. Can you help me understand?
Yeah, it's a long timeline.
Yeah, I mean, because that's what I want to understand. I mean, of course, journey has been ups and downs and a lot of good decisions and bad decisions, etc. But when we put into timeline, थोड़ा सा एक idea आ जाता है कि okay, इतना वक्त अंदाजन लगा. So when did you do your diploma in mass media communication?
Okay, so I'll start with my schooling. Okay, in short.
Why not?
So my school was a pretty average school. Like पढ़ाई भी इतने अच्छे से नहीं होती थी. Extra curricular activity तो ये word भी नहीं पता था हमें. It was a typical government school where nobody used to study. Like we used to fail. I failed in 10th class twice. I was not a good student, but it's not that I was not a good student, but there was no, the atmosphere was not very studious.
Favorable, yeah.
Yeah, it was like nobody used to study, so we felt कि अरे पढ़ के करना क्या है, कुछ काम वाम ही करना है, जॉब तो मिलता नहीं है हमें, ऐसा वाला अपना वो था.
Feeling था, yeah.
तो सब यही बोलते थे. So, but luckily my mother really pushed me to, complete my studies. She said, no, I will not let you become like those people. You have to study, and I want to see you at a respected place in life.
Right.
और तुम कर सकते हो, because I was a sharp child. Like my brain wise, I was good. So somehow I completed my studies. Then I got admission in Delhi University. And that was the beginning of my acting,
journey,
in career, if I may say so. Yeah. So there was a street play group, Anant, and there were no auditions. So I thought, चलो जाके देखते हैं क्या होता है. Auditions तो है नहीं. उनका play देखा था मैंने, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा था. मुझे लगा ये तो कुछ interesting चीज है. College में वैसे भी कुछ करने को नहीं है, जाते हैं. I went there and then I attended a few sessions. I started, liking it.
Nice.
And then I used to perform, and everyone used to say, yeah, he's so good. And I didn't know what it was. I had no idea. Then I realized that maybe I have the talent. Like my observation is good in life. And when I act, I put those observations into my performance. So I was unknowingly doing good work. So, but then after graduation, my father died, and there was a lot of responsibilities on my shoulders. So I thought कि I can't pursue acting. And वैसे भी मैंने street theater ही किया था, stage play नहीं किया था, कुछ नहीं आता था. तो लगा कि हाँ ये तो ठीक है, तो बस शौकिया हो गया. Then I did my journalism.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So college से start हुआ था theater का journey. Street play किया, उसके बाद फिर journalism किया. But then I felt कि no यार, मेरे को acting करना है. क्योंकि I remember मैंने एक न्यूज़पेपर में ही एक ऐसी सेशन हो रहा था रोल प्ले का, एंड मैंने एक रोल प्ले किया और एवरीवन वाज लाइक कि भाई व्हाट अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर यू आर, यू शुड डू एक्टिंग. एंड दैट वाज दैट वन मोमेंट आई फेल्ट कि शिट, अभी भी मेरे अंदर एक्टिंग बाकी है. एंड आई थिंक समहाउ लाइक आई एम गुड एट इट, बिकॉज जहां भी करता हूँ लोग बोलते हैं कि यू आर गुड. देन आई went up to my mother and I said कि I want to pursue acting and you tell me. And my mother has been an angel. She has been so supportive, and I can't express in words what she has been for me. Like हम सभी की माँ वैसी ही हैं, emotional और हमेशा support करने वाली.
Right.
She said कि do what you want to do. If you think you can do it. I told her कि I don't know if I'll become an actor, like big actor, or if I'll be able to do something in acting. But I can assure you one thing: if I crack NSD, I'll be able to become at least acting teacher, and I'll be happy. Right. Like I'll be able to direct plays, I'll be able to teach students, I'll be able to train actors. That I can do because NSD is a good name. So let me try. She said, okay, ठीक है, चलो backup तो है कि कुछ नहीं हुआ तो ये तो कर ही सकता है. हाँ,
करेक्ट.
लाइक चलो सोचा है लड़के ने कुछ तो.
हाँ, बैकअप सोच के जा रहा है. पेरेंट्स का सबसे बड़ा टेंशन कि अच्छा ये नहीं तो क्या, ये तो है, देन यू आर सॉर्टेड प्रीटी मच.
या हालांकि वो मेरे मन में अंदर से था कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है, बट एक कहीं ना कहीं उनको समझाने के लिए कि हाँ इतना रिस्की भी नहीं है. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एंड एनएसडी के लिए भी अप्लाई करने का रीजन बहुत सिंपल था. आई कुडंट अफोर्ड एफटीआई. एनएसडी वाज द ओनली प्लेस which I could have afford at that moment. So I thought कि ठीक है, because they used to give scholarship also and NSD in Delhi, so I was close to my house also. मम्मी को सपोर्ट कर सकता था. तो इस तरह से डिसीजन लिया था. एंड NSD जो है फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में नहीं हुआ मेरा. I didn't get it, but my performance was really good, and I realized कि I have something in me. I have raw talent, and I just need an environment to groom myself. Like I need technical training. I need to learn the craft.
Right.
Yeah. I knew कि एक raw talent मुझे पता नहीं है मैं क्या करता हूँ, but जो भी करता हूँ लोगों को पसंद आता है. Because panel जो था audition का, they really liked the performance, and they said कि where are you from? Nobody knew me कि दिल्ली से कौन आ गया ये.
Correct. So
I reached. Yeah.
तो छोड़ दिया definitely. So that gave you some.
Yeah, they liked the performance. Like I could see that on your faces, and I reached till the last round, and everyone said कि भाई तेरा तो होगा ही होगा, but it didn't happen. Okay. Then I was like heartbroken. Yeah. And one interesting thing that I want to share, I have not shared it in any interview. Okay. Because since it's candid, so I'll share this here. So since my childhood, I used to sell kites every year. Okay. During 15th of August का जो time होता है, दिल्ली में काफी kite flying होता है. So my father had a shop. Then I used to sit with him at that shop. Then from 10th standard, I owned a shop. Okay. Proper अपना वाला. तो वो मैं करता था. फिर NSG जब नहीं हुआ तो मैं वापस I went back to my kite shop. Okay. Yeah, and I had applied for another drama school. It's called Bharatiya Natya Academy, if you have heard of it. Okay. Lucknow. Okay. It's there in Lucknow. Yeah, it's not very famous, but like उस वक्त के हिसाब से बजट में था वो. तो मैंने उसमें अप्लाई किया, and I got the admission. I still remember I was on my shop and I got a call कि आप select हो गए, and I was like, okay, चलो, I'm going to Lucknow now. Nice. Then I went to Lucknow. I studied there for 1 year. I used to read a lot of plays, and I was like learning full on कि हाँ ये दुनिया क्या है. Right. Then I applied for NSG second time after 1 year, and I got through. Nice. तो इस दौरान मतलब ये एप्लीकेशन NSD का करने से पहले ही आप जर्नलिज्म का जॉब छोड़ चुके थे. Like you made up your mind, right? Okay. Not simultaneously. I made up my mind one day. Like I left my office. एक कुछ तो एक ऐसे स्टिंग ऑपरेशन टाइप करने निकला था मैं. Okay. और मैं निकला एंड ऑन द वे आई वाज लाइक कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. सडनली मुझे ऐसे कुछ फील हुआ कि नहीं मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, मैं खुश नहीं हूँ, और ये गड़बड़ हो रहा है कुछ तो. समथिंग इज मिसिंग, समथिंग इज रॉन्ग. एंड मैं वहां से घर गया. मैंने ना कभी सैलरी ली, ना कभी मैं उस ऑफिस में वापस गया. ओके, तो बस खत्म. द डिसीजन ऑन द स्पॉट. दैट्स अमेजिंग. आई मीन जर्नी वाज ओवर. लाइफ experiences. Okay, now coming to the situation where you are now filming for season 1 of The Family Man. Okay, did you, जब shooting वगैरह खत्म हो गई, did you expect कि season 1 लोगों को इतना पसंद आ जाएगा and they will actually love the whole thing? So when I signed the contract, I didn't know, but I knew one thing for sure, that Raj and DK, I admired them a lot. Like I am a big fan of Raj and DK's work. Because I'd seen Shore in the City, I'd seen Go Go Gone. 99 is one of my favorite films. It's hilarious. It's really nice. Like very few people have seen the film, but it's a brilliant film. So I knew that they always attempt something new. They try something new. And in Shore in the City, I'd seen ki their realistic approach is really good. Like, so I felt when I read this, I read my scene. I didn't get the full script. They gave me only my scenes. Okay. So I had no idea what the show was about. Okay. I thought, okay, I am the main villain, and it's like it's going to be great. And I'm opposite Manoj Bajpayee, and Raj and DK direct कर रहे हैं, तो मतलब it's a brilliant opportunity, and it was, and it is. So I just signed it, and as they say, beggars can't be choosers. So I used to give auditions, and auditions में जो भी आता था, मतलब उसमें जो भी बेस्ट था. हालांकि एक दो रोल्स मिले थे जो मैंने नहीं किए, because I didn't like the roles, because I was, I used to do musicals and अच्छे roles करता था. तो I always knew कि I wanted to do something nice.
Yeah.
So I joined because the USP was Manoj Bajpayee sir, Raj and DK as directors, Amazon was the platform. So I thought, yeah, it's a good opportunity. Let's do it. Start करते हैं काम करना क्योंकि कैमरा पे भी करना है.
Okay.
So बस ऐसे ही शुरू किया था.
ठीक है.
But when I watched the show, I was like, my God, yes, this is a brilliant show. Audience is going to love it. So that changed everything.
Did you get a chance to be a part of screening before it released?
Yeah, no. So I was part of the screening. Screening happened, but screening was for only 2 episodes. But I watched the show in their D2R production house office.
Okay.
I watched the show.
Idea आ जाता है कि ये फटेगा जाके, ये मजा आएगा लोगों को देखने में.
Like I really liked the show. I enjoyed it. I binge watched it, and in 2 days, like I finished the show, and I was like, yeah, this is such a good show.
Right.
Like,
एक अच्छे शो की खासियत यही होती है कि जब वो खत्म हो जाता है ना तो इट शुड लीव अ वॉइड कि अरे और चाहिए, ये इतना जल्दी क्यों खत्म कर दिया, आई नीड मोर एपिसोड्स ऑफ इट, आई कांट वेट फॉर 2 years अगेन. ये दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ द गुड शो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. ओके, अब सीजन 1 हुआ. सीजन 1 फटा, मतलब लोग पगला गए पूरी तरह, सबको पसंद आ रहा है और सब तरफ सिर्फ द फैमिली मैन की बात हो रही है. बिटवीन सीजन 1 and like before the beginning of shoot for season 2, set पे क्या बदल गया?
The atmosphere was really positive because the season 1 was so big and it became such a massive hit that we were sure that like we are going to create something again, like which is liked by the audience, and audience had like really high expectations after season 1. They were really expecting कि season 2 is going to be better. So हमारा सबका एक जो मिलकर जो एक जो motive था वो यही था कि everything has to be one notch up.
Correct.
Like we have to take this forward.
ऊपर. Yes.
Yeah, और ऊपर लेकर जाना है और अच्छा करना है. So that was our main motive. And I really enjoyed season 2 a lot. Like it was so much fun because I knew, like from day one, I knew that my part is better in season 2. And when I signed the contract, they told me that season 2 mein Sajid is going to be really important. So you just wait. And then they wrote season 2 and they shared the script with me. I read the script and I was like, wow, this is such a good role, and I have to give my best.
Meat to your character in season 2. I mean, everybody has seen that and witnessed that. So you had the opportunity to do film here in London for season 2. I'm not sure how long the schedule was. What time, what month or which year was it exactly?
This was September. I remember it was my birthday. It was 29 September, my birthday. I shot that my first entry wala shot. That was done on 29 September. It was my birthday, and it was 2019.
All right. So pre-pandemic we are talking about.
So we went there right after the release of season 1. So season 1 released on 20th September, and we were in London on 29 September.
Okay.
And we had started the shooting before the release only. Like season 2 का जो shoot था Chennai में, we started in August.
How was your experience shooting in this weather? September is, I guess, end of summer here, so थोड़ी सी ठंड तो बढ़ जाती है. How was your?
It was quite nice. The climate was really nice. I really enjoyed it because ज़्यादा कपड़े भी नहीं पहनने होते थे, आराम से निकल सकते थे बाहर, सुबह उठने में problem नहीं, and I loved London. It is such a beautiful city, and the culture and people, the vibe of London is so nice. I had a lot of fun. I stayed back for like almost a week extra, like मतलब एक हफ्ता रुक के.
क्या बात है. That's amazing.
It was a lot of fun.
You've done theatre plays, the musicals, now the dark character of Sajid. Personally speaking, what do you enjoy doing more, the dark or grey characters, or is it the more positive and protagonist kind of characters?
Yeah, I personally like positive and protagonist kind of characters because this was my proper first, negative shade wala character. I've done some anti-hero roles in theatre, but I really used to enjoy Zangura because Zangura was main lead, and there was Bollywood dancing and romance, and he's a flirt. And he does magic tricks, and everyone loves him. That kind of a character, typical जो एक Bollywood hero का character था. So what happens is that energy really translates into something really positive in you as a person also. Like it becomes your part, and you are happy. Like negative characters, you become too serious.
Okay. So on that note, I would like to understand personally now because you enjoy that more, so I'm sure dark या grey characters play करने में आपको थोड़ा extra effort लेना पड़ता होगा because that's not it comes easy to you. So how easy or difficult it is for you to get into a character and get out of the character?
See, I take some time to get into a character. Like if you, I am that kind of an actor. If you give me a script right now and you say, "Abhi jaldi se karna hai," I'll perform. I will perform so bad. You'll say, "Arey yaar, matlab,
ये
what?
क्या कर
Like
दिया?
it's not nice. It's not nice." But ऐसा मतलब ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
हाँ.
There's a possibility.
Yeah.
But if you give me time, like I am that kind of an actor. Like if I'm given a role and I prepare, I do my research, I decide. Like if I'm convinced here, then my performance, then I will transform, and then it will be visible in my performance. So I take my time to get into a character, prepare for a character, and then transform myself into it. And then I take some time to get out of it also.
Okay, so दोनों तरफा है वो. Nice.
Yeah.
Because I see that when you as you mentioned, you need that time, and it was very evident in Sajid's character that he is a serious kind of guy. He means business. He's not there to guy. No, there are scenes in season 2 where you are not speaking, like not giving a dialogue delivery, but you're just staring. वो आंखें कह रही हैं बहुत कुछ उस मोमेंट में rather than एक डायलॉग कन्वे करना, वो गुस्से से देखना and all of that. It shows the gravity of how much you are in that character when the camera is on. So that's really beautiful. Great.
Thank you.
Before we move on to our game section, one thing I would like to understand. There is a lot of struggle. There's a lot of debate, and it always has been. It always will be there in future with respect to the whole insider and outsider theories. Ki people who have contacts get it easy. People who come from nowhere have it way more tougher. How real or how difficult is the struggle for an outsider, for an individual like you who has no contacts in the industry but makes his mark? How is that for you?
See, the difference is that only like if you have contacts, you can meet people directly. Like I have not been able to meet so many people directly. Like I can't even meet their assistants.
Right.
Even if I approach them, they are like, "Who are you?"
Correct.
So I have to first, create a name for myself. Then people will take you seriously, and you have to show them that you can do something. Then things will change slowly. So for us, it becomes like you have to keep trying, right. and you don't know what exactly you have to do to get work, and nobody knows. Even if like you are somebody's son or daughter, then also like ultimately you have to perform. But yes, the difference is I will like for actors like me, it's difficult to meet some people, difficult to tell them that I can do this and give me an opportunity, and like I feel कि कुछ हद तक वो लोग जो ऑलरेडी इंडस्ट्री से बिलोंग करते हैं, they know a lot of people know them since their childhood, so they know like उनको वो एक एडवांटेज
तो है, मतलब nobody can deny that, वो तो है.
Like मेरी जिन्होंने कास्टिंग की है फैमिली मैन में, मैं उनसे भी आज तक, मुकेश सर से मैं आज तक कभी पर्सनली नहीं मिल पाया.
All right.
Like so that happens with you. Like I always like his assistants contacted me and I gave the audition, then I got the role, but still I could never meet him.
If I have to relate or give a simple example, it's like कि आपको काम चाहिए but सामने वाला work experience मांग रहा है और आप बोल रहे हो भाई काम दोगे तो ही work experience लाऊंगा ना.
Exactly.
The vicious cycle कि आप कहाँ से शुरू करो exactly becomes a very big task till you find.
Yeah, it becomes really difficult. Like you are totally dependent on a good audition.
Right.
Like you try to give your best in an audition and just wait कि it will get clicked.
Correct.
Like it will click someday. So you just keep giving auditions. और उसी जगह पर कुछ लोगों को एक advantage होता है कि they can directly meet someone.
Correct.
And tell them that I want to do this kind of work. Again, they have to give the audition, but like in this industry, it is really important to meet the right kind of people at the right moment.
Yes.
So actors like me, they never get to know कि क्या project हो रहा है, उसमें क्या role है. So that it becomes a little difficult. Also, like for us, if I'm given an opportunity, I have to do well.
Correct.
Like I
There's no
really have
second
to
chance.
nail the role, then only there is possibility that I will get more work.
Correct.
Whereas like someone who belongs to the industry, that person will have this advantage that even if that person is not doing well, audience be accepted. Let's see, this is audience also.
Yes,
Audience
100%. Very,
people
very
also
well
say like,
pointed.
I hear this so many times, like if I don't perform well, people will say, अरे कौन है ये actor यार, he is not good यार, इसको कैसे मिल गया ये role, ऐसे बोलेंगे. If someone like कोई known actor का जो भी son या daughter कोई है वो perform करते हैं, even if they don't perform well in one or two roles, people will say, अरे सीख जाएंगे.
हाँ, आ जाएगा.
She will learn. With time they will learn. So they have like opportunities even after failing so many times. Exactly. And we don't.
Yeah. This is the sad part and the weird part of this profession, where audiences more accepting towards someone who's known and less accepting towards someone who's struggled.
एक soft corner रहता है.
जाता है. Yes.
ये उस actor के वो हैं, तो उनको तो हम बहुत पसंद करते थे. तो he must be good, just like his father or mother or uncle or कोई जो भी. So वो एक होता है, soft corner रहता है.
We have our game section जहाँ पे I'll take name of some of your co-actors or people you have worked with in the past, and you have to just share whatever the first thought comes to your mind.
Okay.
The first one is Sunny Hinduja.
Oh, Sunny Hinduja is a darling, yaar. He's my buddy. Matlab, and he's such a nice human being, yaar. He has like been such a big support in Family Man, like, and such a good friend. And he deserves, like abhi right now, all the attention he's getting, he truly deserves it. Yeah, he's been working so hard for so long.
Yeah,
and he has not given up. So I really like wish him all the success and all the happiness. He deserves it.
Yeah, baat hai. Manoj Bajpayee sir.
Oh, he's god of acting. He is at some other level, and he's such a fine human being, such a secure actor, and a brilliant human being, so grounded and such a wonderful person. Like it's a dream come true to work with him or spend time with him. Like it's for me it's a dream come true.
Next would be Darshan Kumar. काफी scenes थे आपके इनके साथ.
Oh, Darshan Kumar is fun. Like every time I've shot with him, it's been so nice, and he looks so good on screen. And acting with him is like मतलब एक same level पे, मतलब एक height match करता है हमारा. बहुत मजा आता है. It's so much fun with Darshan.
There's more of the bro feeling with him then.
Bro vibes.
All right.
Yeah.
Next is Samantha.
Oh, Samantha is outstanding. Like as an actor, she's brilliant. She's really professional, and she's so focused. And I was so impressed with her in during the shoot also. And she responds, like if I do something in the scene, she will respond. She'll take it. And the chemistry, like everyone is talking about Samantha, like is Raji and Sajid's chemistry.
Yeah.
So that chemistry comes because like we were able to respond to each other, and it was a wonderful experience.
वो I'm sure काफी incidents में हुआ होगा वो action reaction में, because you get to know the character and each other, आप pick up कर लेते हो and you react to that rather than taking a cut and pause and again doing the same thing again. So I can imagine.
Yeah, and I really like her approach also. Like with this role also, so her approach was really minimalistic. Like she'll give me one look, and that one look is enough. And
says a lot.
That was like really nice. Because I also believe in minimalistic work. I really like it.
Kya baat hai. All right. Next is you had you didn't have on-screen presence with him, but off-screen you had an opportunity. I read about it. So your first thoughts and first impressions of Sushant Singh Rajput.
Oh, I met him. So I did one rehearsal. I consider myself very lucky because now he's not with us anymore, and it's really sad. But I became part of that film. I didn't know that I was going to meet him. Okay. But the day I reached there, Kedarnath temple, like in the night, I was called, Sushant wants to rehearse with you. And I said, but I don't have a scene with Sushant. He said, no, he wants to meet you. He wants to rehearse. I don't know, you just come. And I was like, okay, I'm coming. I changed. And then jaldi I went there. I was a little intimidated also because I knew that this is the Sushant Singh Rajput, and it was my first and I was doing such a small role, so I had this feeling कि यार एक
हाँ,
कि क्या है, ठीक है. So I just went there and he was like, hi Shahab. He knew my name and he was like really nice to me, and it was costume room, like चारों तरफ costumes there, and he was standing there with his one friend, I think. So we started rehearsing. And I asked him, I said कि अरे but I'm not, I got confused. I thought oh, I'm performing this with Sushant, why? Like ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? He said कि no, so I have to repeat that line that you say in the film. I have to say the same line. आप बोलते हो कि रेडियो में ज्यादा मजा है. I also have to say the same line to Sara's character कि रेडियो में ज्यादा मजा है, अब्बा बोलते थे. तो I need to know कि अब्बा कैसे बोल रहे हैं. Right. So I was like really impressed कि यार I think he was a method actor, so he really wanted to meet me and feel and get the vibes कि मैं कैसा हूँ, or if I'm playing is. Then later I got to know कि अब्बा का फिल्म में काफी जिक्र है. It was an important character. Like footage wise, it was not big, but the importance was.
Reference बहुत बार रहा. Yes.
बहुत सारा reference है, and he wants to become like his father, and he misses his father. His father was really good at handling so many things. So I was supposed to be really heroes.
Heroes
जो बनना चाहता है वैसा उसका father.
Yes.
So it was a wonderful experience. Then during the shoot also, he was really nice to me. He used to give me so much respect because of my character, of course. So it was really nice. I spent some time with him, and we used to watch cricket matches in the evening. तब कुछ India Australia matches चल रहे थे, हम देखते थे वहाँ पर. And एक evening भी मैंने उनके साथ बिताया. So my experience was really good. I used to observe him a lot. He used to wake up early in the morning, and then he'll do workout, and he had so many books. He used to read a lot, and he was really fit and very positive. It was a good experience.
क्या बात. All right, moving on. Next is Sharib Hashmi.
Oh, Sharib Hashmi. भाई वो तो भाई है. Sharib Hashmi is again a darling. For me, he's like a elder brother, and he really supports me in everything. And we are a gang. तो उस gang के member है Sharib भी, और he's like a family. और शारिब के साथ वक्त बिताना मतलब हंसते रहना, खिलखिलाते रहना, हंसी मजाक. और हमने चेन्नई में हम लोग घूमे थे साथ में 2 दिन बहुत, और इतना मजा किया था जिसके पिक्चर्स जल्द ही सोशल मीडिया पे आएंगे. So yeah, Sharib is my heart.
And last but not the least, Shreya Dhanvantari.
Oh, Shreya तो कमाल है. She is a brainy. Like she is really sharp, and she's into board games, and उसने हम सबको भी board games के पूरे उस
आदत लगा
शौक में शामिल कर लिया है. Yes, अभी हम सबको भी board games का बहुत शौक है. She keeps gifting us board games also.
क्या बात है.
And I spend a lot of time with her. यार we all like हम 4-5 लोग बहुत ज्यादा टाइम बिताते हैं साथ में, और we actually have a WhatsApp group called Bombay Parivar. So it's like family man has given us a family in Bombay, which is so nice and which is so rare, because that does not happen at every in every film or web series or set.
Yeah. So thank you for that. The next round is hamara desi version of rapid fire, where whatever comes to your mind quickly, you just need to answer. There is no right or wrong. Whatever you think of first, just go for it. 3 directors you would like to work with.
Dibakar Banerjee, Anurag Kashyap, Rajkumar Hirani.
क्या बात है. Your 3 favorite movies.
Favorite movies. Parasite. I love Parasite, and I love Scarface, and I love Raging Bull.
क्या बात है. 3 favorite web series.
When They See Us.
Okay.
Narcos. The Family Man.
Lovely. 3 favorite holiday destinations.
London, Singapore, and I've never been there. New York. I want to go there.
3 things you can't live without. Things, not people.
Okay, good food. A bike.
Okay.
And my phone these days.
Have to.
It's really sad, but it's true.
वो basic necessity में आ गया आजकल तो. That's absolutely fine. 3 things you learned during lockdown.
I learned that sometimes you need to take a pause. Like you can't keep running. Sometimes, to move forward, you have to go back. That saying that actually came true.
Okay.
Second thing, you have to, take out time to, be with your family, because काफी time तक ऐसा नहीं हुआ था. Because of lockdown, I realized कि I should come home more often. So that happened. Third thing is, yeah, life is too short. Anything can happen at any moment. So do your best, be kind, be nice to everyone, and help as many people as you can. And life is too short. Just enjoy and don't plan too much.
Kya baat hai. And last one, 3 things you would like people to know about you.
I would want people to know that I'm a self-made person. It was a difficult journey, and I somehow managed to do it. And if I did it, so can you.
Kya baat hai.
Second is, I think I would want people to know that I'm a versatile actor. Sajid is not the only thing that I can do. I would like to prove that in future. Like
typecast mat kijiye, please.
Please mat karna yaar. Please. and third thing is, I like cooking. Like in my leisure time, I really like cooking good food. So yeah.
Thank you. You have been very honest. That was really, really fun. Are there any upcoming projects where we can see you next, which you can officially share about?
Yes, I can share about one project. I have recently shot for an MX Player original web series. Yeah. So I'm playing a gangster in the series, and the series is based on 1989's Bombay.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's an interesting part, and it's different from Sajid because the time period is different, and the vibe of the entire series is different, and characters, personality is very different.
Thank you so very much, and we wish you all the very best for all the coming projects. And Sajid se related ho ya na ho, but we definitely want to see more of Shahab Ali on screen in the coming years.
Thank you so much, Saurabh. It was lovely talking to you, and it was a pleasure. I had a lot of fun.
Thank you.
The game, that Desi rapid fire game is fun, yeah.
Thank you so very much. I really enjoyed. बहुत मजा आया बात करके.
Same here. I wish you all the success. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Binge Buddies for more such candid conversations.